How to perform an impedance test on remedy models 1100 and 1600. Here are the steps to perform an impedance test on remedy models 1100 and 1600. These steps are after initial interrogation of a device. The read impedance icon is available in several locations. However, for the focus of these videos, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply click on Tools and proceed to Read Impedance. The displayed cathode and anode represent the preset electrode pair. You can opt to select any other desired cathode and anode for testing. Simply choose Read Impedance. Upon completion, select Yes if you wish to repeat the test, or No if you have finished. Please note that as this is a test patient, a high impedance reading of greater than 2500 ohms is expected. However, if you observe an impedance reading of less than 100 ohms or greater than 2500 ohms, please contact Zolrus-McCardia. Additionally, during each visit, it's essential to test all unipolar pairs. To conduct unipolar impedance measurements, designate electrodes 1 through 4 as the cathode for a left lead and 1 through 6 for a right lead while maintaining the anode as a can. The programmer history box in the bottom left-hand corner will display all impedance readings. These steps outline how to perform an impedance test.